A Des Moines woman is behind bars tonight facing charges in an immigration scam. Police say 46-year-old Nancy Veronica Sandoval allegedly recruited and scammed people seeking citizenship in the U.S. A Local 5's Mary Sugden takes a deeper look into this crime and has what legal experts say you should know to prevent this from happening to you.
Legal experts say people working to gain legal citizen status in the United States are in a vulnerable position.
Because the immigration laws are very complex and confusing, it requires some level of expertise to just navigate that. And there are just people, unfortunately, that are willing to kind of take advantage of that vulnerable position.
In Des Moines, detectives say Nancy Sandoval recruited and took money from multiple people, promising another woman in Texas would provide immigration papers. But the woman in Texas is not an immigration attorney, according to police, and the pair scammed nearly $58,000 for more than a dozen victims.
It's just really so disheartening and so sad to see someone taking advantage of people who are already kind of in a vulnerable situation.
Bryn Howard with Iowa Legal Aid says there's ways people can prevent this crime from happening to them. First, she says seek out a reputable immigration attorney or someone who's DOJ accredited.
Those are folks that aren't attorneys, but that have special permission to be able to do that.
She says ask to see the person's license or accreditation and check with disciplinary boards to make sure they're in the clear.
And if it's not in your first language, to have it interpreted so that you're making sure that you're signing something that you understand. Also, always a good idea to make a copy and have the attorney provide you with a copy of anything that's filed on your behalf.
And if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Adding claims of sending more money to speed up a process should be a red flag.
If you have any doubts, there's nothing wrong with going to a second attorney and saying, here's my case. You can take it to someone else and they can look at it and say, yeah, this looks right. Or, let you know if there's something else to be concerned about.
Mary Sugden, Local 5 News, we are Iowa.
Police say the pair scammed at least a dozen people. They say more victims are out there, but believe those people may be too scared to come forward. If you know someone who's been victimized by this scam, you are asked to contact the police department. We have the information that you need on weareiowa.com.